Today we will be finding area of polygons on a coordinate plane and perimeter of polygons on a coordinate plane. Okay, so let's take a look at this first type of problem. It says find the perimeter of the amusement park shown on the coordinate plane. Okay, so if we're finding the perimeter here, notice that each square represents one unit for both the x and y. So if we go from here, 3, 8 to 5, 8, that is 1, 2 spaces. And from 5, 8 to 5, 3, 8 minus 3 is 5, so that is 5 spaces. And then, so we have 5 spaces here, 2 spaces here. From 5, 3 to 2, 3, that's 3 spaces because 5 minus 2 is 3. And then from 2, 3 to 2, 6, that's 3 spaces because 6 minus 3 is 3. Then 1 space here from 2, 6 to 3, 6. And from 3, 6 to 3, 8, we have another 2 spaces. So we're going to add all of those up. 2 plus 5 is 7. 7 plus 3 is 10. Plus 3 is 13. Plus 1 is 14. Plus 2 is 16. So the perimeter is 16 units. Okay, and perimeter is distance, so it is one-dimensional, so the units are just units, okay, or centimeters or inches or whatever it is, okay. So this next one, same thing here, okay, you can count all the way around. Also pay attention to these ordered pairs, and again, 2, 5 to 4, 5, they're horizontal, so 2 to 4 is 2. So you don't even necessarily need to count. You can just look at our numbers, and 5 minus 3 is 2. 8 minus 4 is 4. 3 minus 1 is 2. And then 8 minus 1 is 7. And then 1 and 1, and then 2 to 5 is 3. And then we go around and just add them all up again. 2 plus 2 is 4, plus 4 is 8, plus 2 is 10, plus 7 is 17, plus 1 is 18, plus 1 is 19, plus 3 is 22. So your perimeter is 22 units around the vegetable garden. Okay, there are 2 more that you can try just like that. Okay. A rectangle has vertices of 1, 3, B is 1, 5, C is 5, 5, D is 5, 3. Use coordinates to find the perimeter. So again, we can do what we were talking about with the picture, but just do it using our coordinates here. So 3 and 5, that's going to be 2. Between B and C, the 5 is the same, so we're looking at the 1 and the 5, so that's going to be 4. And then between the first 5s here, so 5 and 3, that's going to be 2 again. And then between 5, 3 and 1, 3, that's going to be 4 again. So we're looking at a rectangle that has 2 and 4 as our dimensions. So we have 8 plus 4 is 12 is our perimeter. 12 units is our perimeter. Okay, we'll do the same thing on this next one here. 2, 0 to 2, 6, so that's going to be 6 difference. From 2, 6 to 7, 6, that's going to be a 5 difference because of the 7 minus the 2. And then from 7, 6 to 7, 0, that's going to be 6 again. And then 7, 0 to 2, 0, that's going to be 5 again. So again, we have a rectangle that is 5s and 6s. So we have 12 plus 10 is 22 units will be our perimeter. Okay, there are several more that you can try just like that there. And then these last couple are finding area. Okay, now it's going to be a little bit different because we're going to have, so we have 3, 1 to 3, 4. So we see the difference here is 3. But then we have 3, 4 to 8, 1. Those aren't in line because they don't share any of the same vertices. The x's aren't the same and the y's aren't the same. So we're going to look at A and C, and they both have 1. So this is going to be a right triangle where we have 3 as one of our dimensions. And from 8 to 3, that's going to be 5. And so that gives us the base and the height. And we can use the formula for area of a triangle. And we know it's a triangle because there's only 3 points there. Okay, so area equals 1/2 3 times 5. 3 times 5 is 15. 15 times 1/2 is going to be 7.5. So your area equals 7.5 units squared because we are in area here. Okay, and this one's very similar to that because it also has 3 points. Let's come down and take a look at number 19. Also, we have 1, 6 to 6, 6, so that's 5. And then 2, 6 to 6, 2, that's going to be 4. 6, 2 to 2, 1 is going to be 5 again. And then this 1, 2 to 1, 6 is going to be 4 again. So we're looking again at a rectangle here with 5s and 4s. All right, and then finding area of that polygon is going to be area equals base times height. Base is 4, height is 5, so A equals 5 times 4. So your area equals 20 units squared. Okay, and then you can try number 20 there. That's very similar.